Hi guys, I am Dr. Bhavani Rao. Recently I procured a drone and I want to share my first hand initial experiences with this drone, how to fly. Because drones are notorious of hitting the trees and power lines, and in the process it may get lost. So initially, after launching the drone, we have to keep it in a tripod mode. Tripod mode means after flying it to says about 6 feet, just keep it there for a few seconds. It helps the drone to register its location geographically. And my country cousin is directing me to fly the drone towards that side. So I'm flying forwards, and in order to avoid hitting the bush, I raised the altitude to 10 feet or so. So you can see beautiful green fields. Such fields are usually seen in Godavari districts, but on either side of river Sarda also you can see fertile lands strip. Now I am panning towards right side. Panning means that is keeping the camera just like our eyesight and inching towards right side. You can see shadow of big tree on the right side corner. If I go further, I may hit the tree. So I am going slightly forwards. Now I think I have cleared the trees. So I am going down to see the actual paddy field more clearly. So panning towards right side, still right side, still right side. Yeah, I think I am very close to the big tree. It is unsafe to go further right. So I am going forwards. I am going forwards, and in distance you can see lot of electric poles. The drones are notorious in hitting the power lines, or rather drone pilots are notorious hitting the power lines with their drones. So I have to take extra care here. But drone is about 400 meters away from me, so I can see only speck of it. Now I am panning left side. That means keeping the eye of the camera right in front of me and inching towards left side. You can see the power lines clearly in the camera, but actually they are far away from our home location. So this is what is known as column covered with many trees. So I raised the drone so that I won't hit the power lines. But I am going to slightly shadow zone. Now I can't see the drone. I completely missed it. So I am trying various maneuvers to locate it. I am coming back, staying there, trying to locate the drone, going towards right side again. But I can't see the drone. I can see only the images sent by the drone in my cell phone. I'm going further right side, and I don't know where exactly the drone is. I am afraid that I may lose the drone. So what to do? I can't spot it. Where is it? I can see the images very clearly in my cell phone. That means it is still flying. Now what I did is I pressed the return to home button. So it turns its camera towards me, and now it is approaching to the home point. That means where it has took off for the flying. So return to home is a safety feature. When the button is pressed, it rises to a certain height to avoid trees and power lines. Then it comes towards the home point, and from there it descends. So it is hovering right top of me, and I am trying to stabilize it before landing it in a clean place. And this is another video of yellow flower clock. These seeds are used in the hot mixer. This crop has become popular in recent years in our area. And these are quick shots. Quick shots means a predetermined path is already set in the program. This is known as rocket shot, where it focuses on us and it ascends and goes backwards. And this is circle shot. It takes a focus of the object of interest and it revolves round and round. And this is again another circle shot. It revolves around the point of interest in a circular manner. Because this is pre-programmed, it looks professional. But actually I am not controlling anything. I just press the program button. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you very much.